what should I say? But okay. So thank you so much, ma'am, for this wonderful feedback. I can understand most of the speakers are from corporate sector, and you have to take care of majority. But no problem, ma'am. I always take it as challenge. But this is only possible because of your feedback at the end of session, because you always told me, Shikha, be vocal. If I remember my first day, you might agree with me. I was miser to speak, and I was little bit not polite. I was not rude, but I was not polite. Maybe due to the, I don't know why, but only because of your feedback, now I am vocal, and I think I am polite while talking to my to speakers. At the same time, ma'am, I will say that I learned a lot from other speakers. What is the right way to speak, and how to start the conversation, and how to end the conversation. So thank you so much, ma'am, for, and really this is really helpful platform to learn not only English, to learn much more things. Thank you.